Hi everybody, this is Dale. Welcome to my channel, Not Too Shabby Chic. Have a cup of coffee, sit back and relax and watch as I show you some more wonderfulness I got from Dust Fairies, Sophia. I already filmed this once where everything was bundled the way she had it and it was very cool. These are some things that I got from her, and then I'll show you after this the design team kit. The first time I filmed it, got about 3 minutes in and had to pause it and came back and thought I was filming, and at the end I realized I was not. So I'm starting over. So just know these were two separate. It was a trim package and another bundle that I had gotten, and each had a set of dangles that she includes with her bundles. They are beautiful and I love the little bell dangles. One was tied with this beautiful sparkly gold ribbon, and the other was tied with this beautiful green sari silk piece. So let's look at the trims. Beautiful golden pink, and you get almost a yard of that, and I'm measuring the way I was taught back in the day, from the end of your forefinger, your index finger, with it stretched out, and turn your nose to the right and it should go to the end of your nose. So this is almost 3/4 of a yard maybe. And flower appliques, heart appliques. These little appliques are gorgeous, and they are thin but yet beautiful, so they don't bulk up your pages at all. Well, you know, a little bit, but they're thin enough, as you can see, that they don't bad. And here's like little tiny mirrors. You can see your eye or your nose or your mouth, one thing at a time. This is pretty. Look at this one. This would be pretty for little golden books or boho, or even a botanical if you wanted to do the bright colors because of the flowers. I use these trims and fabrics in all of my journals, doesn't matter what kind. Beautiful color mixture here. You get, again, like generous pieces. And she's got two bundles on her YouTube channel, Mirror. She's already sold out of bundle B, and then she had bundle A. She only had 2 of each this time, so you might want to jump over there and see if she's sold out or not. If she has sold out, you can ask her when she'll have more bundles or something that you would like. And then I got all these beautiful cards from the wedding invitations. Beautiful for tags and such. Look at this one. This feels velvety sort of, but it's not. So pretty. Here's the bride going to get the groom on a white elephant. And here's the groom going to get the bride on a white elephant. And here's a black elephant. He's just dancing in the parade. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Here's a happy elephant with an umbrella with some hands and people feet. Maybe it's a person with a mask. I'm not sure. Here's the groom, close up and personal. She's handsome. Here's the bride, close up and personal. She's so pretty. Here they found each other on their, after they got there. The elephant's probably on each side, you know, in the background, those white elephants. And he's giving her a necklace. And here they are together on a brown elephant. And they're probably going to their honeymoon right there. Beautiful. There's a blue bride and a blue groom. And another card with probably the wedding party singing and celebrating. So I have all those. Look at all these appliques. They are they're thin so they won't bulk up your pages, and they're beautiful. See? Oops. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There you go. So pretty. People are starting to wake up, and I was trying to do it earlier, but I had to re-film it, so now you're liable to hear some background noise, so just try not to hear it. go. I don't mean to rush through these, but they're so pretty. Okay, here's some beautiful gold sparkle transparent trim. Big piece of that. It's beautiful sari silk. It's in like a teal color. Gorgeous. And you get about a yard of that. It's really nice. And this has that two-tone look, purple and green. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not, but it's gorgeous. Navy blue, silky. Here's a dark teal with the gold trims, and you get big pieces. Love this one. The red with the gold in it makes it look kind of orangey, and then it's got some magenta running through it. And it's a really big piece. Love it. And I love this one. This one is the gold and browns and coppers. Here's a a purple and green two-tone. And gold and purple two-tone. Gorgeous. And a pretty turquoise and magenta. It looks purple on screen, but it's like a magenta. And this pretty turquoise. So see all that? I mean, it was an amazing price. So here now is my design team journal kit. So I got a piece of card. And that's a pretty one with the green and black image. It was wrapped with this purpley blue ribbon. Here are the trims. Pretty green. Pink and gold. Pink and gold. Coral and yellow orange. Pretty red and gold. I will have no problem using all of this. It's going to be a fun journal. Look at that beautiful silver and bronze applique. Great big one. Then I have this magenta or fuchsia, purpley pink piece of sari silk. Very pretty. Dark teal with the gold. This one. These are the two-toned. I just love. This is the gold and purple. You can see it sparkle a little bit. And here's the, like what was in the bundle I got that I already showed you, the different stripes running through it, and it's red with the gold running through. Gorgeous. Copper brown gold with a little magenta stripe. Piece of transparent bling sequins. Pretty piece of lavender purple. Then I have this. Sophia, you need to sell these. I are like for little bundles of this kind of stuff, because these are gorgeous for boho beads and tassels for a boho journal. I am in love with those. And this little purple one. Then you got this little bead pack. You got the bead caps and the little, what do you call that thing, to make a bead dangle. So I am excited to get to this kit. I've got another journal to do before this one, and then I'll do that one. So stay tuned, and I'll see you later this afternoon for a drawing for an attaché journal from Forget Me Not Journals. Know I love you. You're loved. I will link Sophia's YouTube channel and her Facebook page below so that you check her out and show her some love. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.